Here's a super quick tutorial on how to make objects or text stick to a wall. Click on Window and select Tracker, and click on Track Camera. This will look for tracking points on your footage, and once it has completed analyzing the footage, pick a target that you feel is aligned to the perspective that you're looking at. It doesn't matter if you pick a wrong one, you can adjust this anytime. So once you've got the target selected, you can right click and select Create Solid and Camera. This will create a solid, and if you preview it, you can see that it's tracking and aligns perfectly with your footage. And now you can bring in your text or any other graphic element that you wish to stick to this wall. I'm just going to create this text and play around with the font and adjust everything. And once that's done, you need to turn the layer to 3D, so you need to click on this. Now you need to parent this text to the solid. So let's hold Shift and click and drag this pick whip and select the solid. This will not only parent the text but also have it take the position and other properties of the solid. That's why holding Shift when pick whipping helps. You don't have to manually adjust the rotation to take that perspective of the solid. And once that's done, you can create another shape or something like that. Right now I'm changing the blending mode, changing it to 3D, and shift click and pick whipping the solid and adding this shape behind the text. I'm also adding a displacement map here to make it blend better with the background footage. So that's it. If this helped, please do leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.